Is Daddy napping? Is he napping? Oh, not anymore. Wake up, Daddy. Oh.
Hey, I'm gonna want your butt on my head.
That's how I wake you up, Dad. Oh, now I'll take a nap with you. I feel like that's not napping with Dad. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being silly? Does she keep pulling your hair? Yeah, that's Dad's tattoo.
Hey. Do I do that to you? Did I bounce my butt off your head? Look at those bags. You're so sleepy. Why don't you take a nap in there?